Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to play YouTube in your background on your iPhone. So the only way I have found to do this is through certain browsers. So this is not illegal, but this is just more like an overlay, so therefore it's a loophole. So you are still using your usual YouTube browser. So first I will download Brave right here. So Brave, and then Brave browser will offer you the option to actually play YouTube outside of the browser using an overlay in the background of your iPhone. So let's play this right here and then simply
People
exit
feeling like the light has
and
just
play it in the
come.
background as you can see.
We must never.
So it's just that simple. So all you have to do is go to your App Store basically. So App Store and then search up Brave browser. So Brave browser will do the dirty work for you basically. So Brave browser is one of those browsers that are able to actually even block ads from YouTube, so you can play YouTube flawlessly without ads and even using it on the background of your iPhone or iPad or even Samsung phones, not just actually iOS devices. So this can be Android and iOS. All you have to do is download it and then use it as usual. So there you go, guys. That is how you play YouTube in the background on your iPhone this year. And it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.